everyone, welcome to Kiaan Technology. Today I am going to present my project Goya Tracked and Enterprises Level Fleet Management System, designed to help a logistic company management their vehicle, driver, customer, trip and fleet operations from one centralized platform. The system provides real-time monitoring, operational analysis and maintenance tracking, financial reporting and fleet performance. So if you can easily log in the page, the app log in the securely page and using authenticate using their email address and password their platform. And dashboard after using the total vehicles, driver, customer, trips and fleet available revenues or analysis customization. If I talk about vehicle list, so different type of vehicles list are also seen here, and add the drivers, add the vehicle details and upload the pictures, and different type of detail like assist, initiate, self fuel protocols, manual actors, model series and KCN number. And another is that vehicle group, different types of group are also coming here, and also create the vehicle group, route, easily route the page, and vehicle vendors, vendor list, and vehicle vendor, driver, different type of driver list are also available here, like deploy unit, active mark and offline modes, and driver professionals like Simon 6.5 54 kilometers, 14 drivers audit. You can easily audit the details and close the details. Driver chat, you can easily talk the drivers and communicate with each other, and with the help of communication we can explain each and every trip details or revolutions. Another thing is that trip confirmation list, like that add the trip, and smart dispatch are also coming here. And next, this revenue map, like is satellites or tracking, that type of things. And the customer management system is also menu available here. And next thing is that in logistics or maintenance, fuel remembers management, add the fuel remember, fuel remarkable services, account section, like that this is account section, add the account or upload the details and fill the forms. How to be a manager to transaction system, like that if you seen watching the transaction, each and every customer or tracking system also here, like history tracking, live location, geofinance or add geofinance, geofinance management, events, attendance, payroll system is also here, like that system, route plan, alert, notification, report, centralized, employee management, employee, add employee settings like general settings, corner setting, menu orders ringing, like which type of permission we can allow or not allow. So this is the button, you can easily permit to details or not. Next thing is website content, languages, SMTP configuration, like that authentication protocol, username, password, port, email port, or you can easily see here SMS configuration, SMS template, access configuration, DB backup, bulk import, mobile locks. You can easily change the password, like a new password or confirm password. Type and save the details and fill the forms, like so. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for my side. Thank you for everyone.